This presentation will give a quick overview of the material, readings, and assignments this week in GP210 American Government 1. My name is Mark Olson, and I'm a political instructor here at Grantham University. I'm just visiting your class this week for this lecture. It's very likely that I'm not your instructor for this class. Now, if you have any questions about the material this week, please contact your instructor directly. You can find their contact information under the Instructor Information link in Blackboard. Your instructor is here to help you succeed in this course, so please do not hesitate to contact them with any questions you might have. What is the final product of this complex machinery known collectively as our government? How does this output, known as public policy, impact our daily lives? At the successful completion of this week's lessons, you should be prepared to describe the three branches of government, examine federalism. This week will help you better understand the institutions of our unique political system, especially the three branches of government and federalism, as public policy is the real-world output of our government and impacts our lives every day. This week you will be reading one lecture titled Public Policy. In this lecture, you will learn a bit about domestic, economic, and foreign policy and how they relate to the institutions of our government. This week, you will be participating in our class discussions and completing one written assignment. Participating in the Week 7 discussion, write a letter to your representative. In this discussion, you will be presenting an argument for a position on a public policy issue as if you were writing a letter to your representative in Congress or in your state legislature. Completing the Week 7 assignment Fantasy Presidential Campaign activity. In this assignment, you will be creating an imaginary presidential campaign plan that includes specific descriptions of policies your campaign supports. As with all discussions and assignments, please be sure to read and follow the instructions very carefully. Please also take care to proofread your work, keep your text professional, and do not plagiarize. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact your instructor. This week, there are no additional readings. Use this week to get caught up on any work and readings that you might have missed, and then start reviewing for the final exam next week. Remember, your instructor and student advisor are here to help you succeed. Please contact them with any questions you might have. Begin by reading this week's written lectures in your Week 7 course material. Next week is our last week. No work can be accepted after the last day of the course. Please be sure to double-check your grades and get caught up on any late or missing work. Next week, in addition to your assignment and discussion, you will also be taking your final exam.